Cool sculpting can freeze away your unwanted fat, but exactly how much fat will each treatment kill?
You can only kill with Cool Sculpting what fits into the applicator. I have two applicators here, the Cool Advantage and the Cool Advantage Plus. What fits into this applicator is this much fat, as you can see there. It basically takes a quarter-pound of fat like this, shaped like that thick, squeezes it into there and freezes it to death, which is an area that big to start with, that thick. And as a result, if you just stop there with Cool Sculpting, this is how much fat you would kill. One stick of butter worth of fat, 1/4 pound. But people want to kill more than just a quarter pound. So if you, after you freeze it, if you then heat it, you can take that same area, heat it up once a week, 4 times with RF heating, and the fat that was frozen underneath but not killed, but very traumatized, gets further beaten up, and you kill some of the fat underneath it depending on how good your heat tolerance. It starts killing just a little bit at 113, does a great job over 116. And you want to do it for as many minutes as you can tolerate. 15 minutes is pretty typical. And the Cool Advantage Plus just does a bigger area. This big of an area instead of this big of an area, which is what this one gets. And it takes more fat in. A bigger piece fits in there. The Cool Advantage versus the Cool Advantage Plus. That's what fits in there. This is 2 sticks of butter worth of fat. That's what you can kill with the Cool Advantage Plus. If you want to kill a little more, let's say you want to kill 3 or 4 sticks, then you take that same fat that's been traumatized by freezing it, and then you heat over it. And the fat that was beneath it is also traumatized and can't take repeated heat trauma, and you kill some of it that way. Because this alone kills very little fat. It mainly just depletes the cells. But the combination ends up killing more fat. And then you get the great advantage of radio frequency, which is, it always will help smooth the surface, tighten the skin, help with cellulite, and help with some scars. And these other ones, Cool Sculpting doesn't do any of that. So it's a great synergy anyway.